ISSA Show North America 2023 is coming up fast in Las Vegas, November 13th through 16th. This is the biggest and best trade show in the industry. If you're involved in any way in the cleaning industry, you do not want to miss this event. And to speak to what this year's show brings and makes it special, I welcome Ed Nichols, the director of ISSA Show North America. Ed, thank you for giving up some time today to discuss the show.
Well, thank you, Jeff. I'm happy to be here, and thanks for having me.
Ed, you're a bit new to the ISSA Show team. Tell us about that. Tell us about the show.
I'm excited to be joining this team in the industry-leading show. The ISSA Show is the largest gathering of the global cleaning and sanitation community in North America. The cleaning and sanitation community gathers at the ISSA Show each year because it is the one place to see all of the industry's suppliers, meet and network with all of the industry influencers and leaders, and to interact with your industry peers, big or small, residential or commercial.
Yeah, Ed, I've been to so many ISSA shows. I guess I have to go because I work here.
Well, we're glad that you do.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in person at the show, Ed. It looks like a nice lineup of education. The trade show floor is always fantastic. But let me ask you this question. People get so much information online now, and they consume it that way. So ISSA Show is an in-person event. Why is attending so important with the online component in mind?
You know, Jeff, there's a lot that can be done online and virtually. And I believe the last 3 years have allowed us or forced us to learn that. But there are essential elements of business and an industry that just cannot be replicated. Networking with your industry is important. Actually, it's vital. Everyone hopefully has worked to continue to grow in market share and profitability individually out of necessity due to the COVID pandemic. But an industry and its individual members grows exponentially through networking, benchmarking, learning, and collaborating together. Be that with a supplier or a peer, the relationships in business either initiated or finalized at the ISSA show is second to none. And despite a strong core of participants that stay with us year after year, the number of new people that attend the ISSA show annually is better than 40%. So there's always new opportunities awaiting you at the show, and this year will be no exception.
Okay, so tell us, what makes ISSA Show so valuable?
Well, first, ISSA. Being the leading association for the cleaning industry worldwide, ISSA is recognized globally for providing value, advocacy, and learning to the entire cleaning and sanitation ecosystem. We're also excited to have the Building Service Contractors Association, BSCAI, co-located with us this year. BSCAI has been the leading voice for the building service contractor community for over 55 years. The cooperation of these two leading organizations, added to 14 other vertical associations, each one a leader in their respective element of the market, truly establishes the ISSA show as the one must-attend event.
Agreed. So I think to wrap it up, we need to know about the logistics. How can people learn more and participate at ISSA Show North America?
Well, registration for this year's show is open. It'll be November 13th to the 16th and will take place at Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas. The best way to get information and to stay current on information is to visit the ISSA Show website, issashow.com. Jeff, I will say the hotel block is filling up quickly, and the comparison to registrants for the show and the hotel block itself this many weeks out prior to the show suggests that this year's event will be as big or even bigger than our 2019 event. And that event was a high watermark for us. So please go to the website, register, and join us this November at the ISSA show. You will be glad that you did.